Hello, welcome to another repair odyssey. Today we have again a microphone fault. So the microphone down here doesn't work, which is symptom is you can make a phone call, but the others that you call or the ones that call you can't hear you. And the voice that is recorded or taking up, whatever you call it, is on the sub motherboard of where the charging port is. So let's test this. Let's take the Google Assistant. Hello, test, test, test. Jetzt sprechen. Doesn't hear me. Test, test. Normally you would see that moving, so it's not working. Gonna turn the device off if we can. Okay, that's better. So let's disconnect this, disconnect the antenna carefully. This fingerprint scanner camera, which is not needed now. Okay. In this case, there's no microphone here. That's the reason why it's not working. As you can see here, one round pin and two square pins. So that's also a downer. Focus. Camera is very slow in focusing. Okay. It doesn't matter. This is a common issue on the Galaxy A, A5, A50, A51, A70, A7, A71, A40, A41, A42. They always have issues. Most of the time liquid comes into the charging port or audio port, aux port, aux. Okay, now we need a known good camera. In this case, I don't know what's the original one, so I'm making a list of microphones that works and not. It doesn't have to be the same written on that microphone. I can show you that. So they're compatible. Here we have again a G14. I think I'm going to take this one. I think this will work. A7. Let's see if we have an original to see what it should be. I mean, we have an A70 here also, which is not known good working. Okay, here we have a G number. See that? No, you can't. Reflection G194. I think on the A50 we have also something like G, so I think this will work. G141, and here we have G194. So I'm sure this is compatible. Make it look good. I'm going with 360 degrees, 330 maybe also should be fine, but I prefer to do it quick. just grab it. Gonna go very fast. These boards, subboards are heating up very quick. Oh, 140, not enough. Let's try this again. As soon as it starts bubbling, you can take it off. Goodbye, donor. So that's the right direction. Yeah. I have a little bit of dirt here. Let's clean this. Oh, my tweezers are bent. So, do we have enough solder? Yeah, should be good. We don't need much, but little. That will do. Let's place it. Like find its way. Let's see, it straightens itself. Surface tension, they call it. So we're good. I don't know if this works. If this does not work, we're going to take a different one. So let's put this back in the housing. Here we have two contacts. The power button. Touch with the tweezers. Turn the fellow around. Just wait a few seconds. Okay, back again. It works for now, so here we have it. Someone's coming. Test. As you see, they're moving. Completely messed up. This is completely messed up. Hello, Google. Let's make automatic time. Hello, Google. Here we go. Google, I repair it all. I repair IT. No, that's not me. Here we are. Yeah, that's it. Quick video. So I'm going to write this down. In this case, it said that I don't know what was the original mic. So, but this mic is definitely working. So you just need a Hotairstation. Can be a cheap one, 50 bucks, eBay, Amazon, blah blah. Support the stores in your country. Don't buy everything on Amazon. They're also good, good prices and good quality. Whatever, cheap eBay, something in the ear of your, well, support your small businesses, as you maybe are also a small business or doing this just for hobby. Okay, that's the end of the video. Big talking, what's happening. So thank you for watching. See you the next time.